Why do you like trading without any indicator? Can you show us a live market trade? Hi and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel where we learn and test your trading strategies. Last week we released a video where we traded in a live Forex market without any single indicator. Your engagement was amazing and many of you asked us to do another part. We decided to make it finally and include some important tips and recommendations that could improve the success rate of your trades exponentially. You also asked me on many occasions about my favorite trading strategy. I can tell you that the one we will use today to enter our live market trade is among my top 3 strategies ever. We will start by conducting the technical analysis, choose our entry, take profit and stop loss based on a solid strategy and answer some of your questions from the YouTube comment section, Facebook group and Telegram channel. At the end I will share with you some important tips that could define how successful we could be in the Forex market. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel and give us a thumbs up to help the channel grow and encourage us to make more content in future. Let's get started.
Let's begin our technical analysis. I have pre-selected the pound-yen pair from the fundamental analysis I have conducted before this stage. Feel free to check out the previous live market trading sessions where we selected a pair from a list of 60 pairs that the broker is offering and used MACD Bollinger Bands as well as support and resistance strategies to define a high probability trade. The pound-yen is almost synonymous with volatility in the Forex market. It has earned multiple nicknames such as the Beast and the Evil. I personally call it Mr. Volatility. Let me know in the comments section which pair deserves to be called Ms. Volatility. You might have noticed in the previous videos that my trading style relies a lot on fundamentals. I usually analyze the news and the major events using various techniques, define the right pair to trade, and then carry out an in-depth technical analysis. In today's video we will start as usual by adding the key levels as well as the support and resistance areas to the chart. A strong key level is usually spotted immediately after looking at the chart. Don't waste too much time trying to find them. If they are not easily seen, they must have a low impact on the price actions. It's better to start from the daily time frame and come down to the 4 hours than 1 hour chart. The 15 and 5 minutes charts are usually used to draw the swing high and lows and to define the entry point, stop loss and take profit. Other than that, make sure that the pair is not trading at a historical level. After a few years trading Forex, you will be able to memorize some of the historical prices. If you have just started trading, make sure you check out the yearly chart. It would take a few seconds and could save you from making some unnecessary mistakes. There are 2 golden rules while placing an order. First, make sure that the price will have to overrun and surpass various boundaries before hitting the stop loss. By boundaries, I mean a strong key level, a major support or resistance area, the 200 EMA or a historical line. On the other hand, the take profit level should be easily reached. If you are going long for instance, never set your take profit above a resistance level. When going short, make sure your take profit is closer than the nearest support area. You can notice that our entry is right above a support line, the take profit is slightly below a resistance area, and the stop loss is below the recent major swing represented by the red rectangle. The risk to reward ratio comes next. It doesn't need to be more than 1:1. Stick to the end of the video where I will share with you a trick that will significantly increase the profitability of your trades. You might have noticed that the entry is below the current price level. Many traders tend to leverage a buy limit order to enter the market in these conditions. The buy limit order will allow you to catch the price at your desired price, but I personally prefer the buy and sell stop orders. If you have watched the recent video we made about trading with the awesome oscillator and exponential moving average crossover, you will know the reason. When you place a buy limit order in this setup, the price might break the support line and hit your stop loss after. It's better to wait for the price to make some price action that will help us evaluate the chance of breaking the support level. To be safe, make sure to avoid entering this trade before the opening or closing of a market session, as the price might tend to make some spectacular spikes. If the price faces a strong support from the bulls, you will enter a buy stop order which will only be triggered if the price bounces up. Let's move to our trading platform. The price is still above our desired entry one, so we won't be able to place a buy stop order at the moment. We will wait for the price to come down, evaluate the response of the support line. If everything goes our way, we will proceed to place a buy stop order. The best way is to set an alarm. The alarm will give you a notification when the price is approaching the zone you are focusing on. Follow me how I set everything up on MetaTrader. Since we are anticipating a long trade, we should set the alarm on the ask price, so based on this alarm setting, the software will give us a sound notification when the ask price is below the value we entered. Do you see this red arrow? This is the actual alarm level. You can adjust it by dragging it up or down. It's better to set it slightly above your desired entry point to give you some time to get ready to place your trade. While waiting for the price to get to our desired entry point, kindly give this video a thumbs up. It helps us a lot growing this channel. It only takes 1 or 2 seconds, but it means the world to us. I usually go grab a coffee and look at the pool from my balcony while listening to some podcast or music. I do miss the beach and hope the situation will get better soon so we could travel sometime, and who knows, maybe set up a meetup to celebrate our fast-growing community. Let me know in the comments section what you usually do while waiting for the price to go in your favor or hit you take profit. Speaking about our fast-growing community, let's answer some of your questions from the comment section. I noticed that many of the subscribers are waiting for the second part of the so-called 100% win trading strategy. The first part is one of the most popular videos on this channel. At the moment we are about to finish some of the test we are conducting to make sure that we provide you a full comprehensible report and feedback on this strategy. The process takes some time, so I suggest you to hit on that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to make sure that you receive the notification as soon as we release the second part of the strategy. You can also join our other social media network available in the video description. Another popular request that we get often is about the parabolic SAR strategy. It's one of my favorite indicators in Forex. The video will be released sometime this month with a particular solid trading strategy that I always enjoy sharing with my students. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes to help this channel grow and support us to continue offering more content that will help and expose you to some different angles in Forex trading. Just received the sound notification from the platform. The price has activated the alarm. The next step is to see how the price would react to the support level. If the bulls start to push the price up, we will place a buy stop that will only be triggered if the bulls are strong enough to make some nice bullish engulfing candlestick patterns. You can see that the price has tested the support line twice and started forming a bullish candle. Always remember that the support and resistance levels are actually areas, not lines. But we tend to use lines to draw them to make life easy. Some traders will enter immediately at this stage, which is a huge mistake. The well-established support lines like this one could not be broken easily, and the price might bounce up before bearishing with a much stronger momentum. To be safe, we will place a buy stop order above the support line to make sure that the order is only triggered if the bulls are dominating the market. Amazing, the price has not only bounced up, but it actually went above our buy stop mark, which is a great signal. Well, I wanted to wait a little bit more, but this seems to be a strong bullish momentum that we need to ride as soon as possible. In these scenarios it's still fine to place a buy limit order, but since we are covering the buy stop order this time, we will stick to our initial setup and wait for the price to go below our entry first before confirming the buy stop order. I will fast forward the video and add in the take profit and stop loss we agreed on earlier. Awesome. The order has just been triggered. Let's see where it will end up. Are we gonna hit the take profit this time? Let's wait and see. Instead of monitoring the chart, why don't we set an alarm and move on to other things? We can simply use the alarm we have set earlier to give us a signal as soon as the price hits a certain level. Some traders follow the set it and forget it mindset, which is extremely good if you are sure that the setup is pretty strong. Otherwise, you can set an alarm that will notify you as soon as the price gets to your desired level. In this video I will share a nice technique that will help you get the maximum profit out of a trade and at the same time make sure that the price won't go against you afterwards. By the way, the alarm should be set according to the bid value, which is the one we are willing to sell a currency pair for. The price has just triggered the alarm, and it is on its way to hit the take profit. We will partially close our position and let the price continue its upward movement and keep on adjusting the trailing stop level. The idea is to secure a certain profit from the trade. You can activate the trailing stop option available in MetaTrader software, which will adjust the stop loss level on your behalf. Or you can do it manually. If you choose to use the embedded trace-top feature, make sure that your laptop is connected to your broker server at all times. Otherwise, you can host your trading software on a VPS server to make sure that your software is operational. I will keep it simple today and do it manually. Let me know in the comments section if you want me to make a video on how to host your MetaTrader in the cloud and install a setup that will notify you every time there is a good trading opportunity. Professional traders close both their winning and losing trades with a stop loss. Just think about it. Do you see that big bearish candlestick? It's usually associated with the market closure. The spreads are also extremely high at this stage. Always avoid entering the market at this time as you might be stopped out quickly. Plus, the cost of entering the market might be expansive with a potential rollover or swap that you might have to pay. Let me know if you want me to make a video on the different times when you should never enter the market. Our order has hit the take profit, and we have made a total of $4.27, which was more than 10 pips. You might have noticed a breakup that happened after we closed our trade. It's always important to be aware of the different phases that the price goes through. It's a cycle that keeps repeating every day, and it has helped me since I started trading 5 years ago. Let's give this video 1,000 likes so we could make a video about the 5 phases that every trader should know, with a live market trade as usual. Other than that, if we didn't set a take profit and used a trailing stop loss with the right strategy, we could have made more than 50 pips in this trade. We have made a video last time where we compared trading the same orders with and without a stop loss. Let me know in the comments section if you want me to make another video where we compare trading with and without a take profit.
We have got a little surprise for you guys. As per your request, we are going to start a new YouTube series where we grow a small Forex account together. I wasn't sure of the balance you want me to start with, so I created a poll on our Facebook group to get your opinion. If you are not in the group yet, feel free to join us by clicking on the link available in the description. Thank you for watching and happy trading.